Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix verification failed Apple ID error. If you're using any iPhone and you are having issue that your verification has been failed on your Apple ID, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing, you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. So first of all, you have to go to your control center or quick setting, and from here you have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings. Then go for settings app, go for general, go for software update, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending update here, or if you have any pending software update, try to update with this software. Then go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. Then you have to go back and go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings. Here you have to enter your passcode and your all of network setting will be reset. Sometimes might be that there will be any error into your network settings, so it will fix in this step. So once you have resetted all of your network settings, so you have to try again to verify yourself in the Apple ID, and it might be that you will not get the issue again. So in this way you can easily fix your issue that your verification has been failed on your Apple ID. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.